अलिफ से अनार, अलिफ मदा से आड़ू, बे से बंदर, पे से पपीता, ते से तितली, टे से टमाटर, से समर, जीम से जहाज, चे से चिड़िया, हे से हलवाई, खे से खच्चर, दाल से दुआ, डाल से डॉक्टर, जाल से जखीरा, रे से रेलगाड़ी, रे से पहाड़, जे से ज़ेब्रा, जे से ज़ालाबारी, सीन से सेब, शीन से शेर, स्वाद से संदूक, ज़्वाद से ज़ईफ, तोय से तोता, ज़ोय से ज़रूब, आइन से औरत, गाइन से गुब्बारा, फे से फुटबॉल, काफ से कुरान पाक, काफ से खजूर, गाफ से गाय, लाम से लड़की, मीम से माल्टा, नून से नारियल, वाव से वकील, हे से हाथी, हमजा से नाई, ये से यक्का, ये से या रसूल अल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। A for apple, apple means सेब. B for banana, banana means केला. C for cat, cat means बिल्ली. D for dinosaur, dinosaur means dinosaur. E for elephant, elephant means हाथी. F for fox, fox means लोमड़ी. G for giraffe, giraffe means zarafa. H for hippo, hippo means hippo. I for ice cream, ice cream means ice cream. J for jellyfish, jellyfish means jellyfish. K for kangaroo, kangaroo means kangaroo. L for lion, lion means sher. M for monkey, monkey means bandar. N for nest, nest means घोंसला. O for all means ullu. P for penguin, penguin means penguin. Q for quail, quail means quail. R for rabbit, rabbit means खरगोश. S for sheep, sheep means भेड़. T for turtle, turtle means कछुआ. U for unicorn, unicorn means unicorn. V for vampire, vampire means vampire. W for whale, whale means whale मछली. X for xylophone, xylophone means xylophone. Y for yak, yak means yak. Z for zebra, zebra means zebra. mother, mother. Father, father. Parents, parents. Baby, baby. Brother, brother. Sister, sister. Siblings, siblings. Daughter, daughter. Son, son. Progeny, progeny. Grandmother, grandmother. Grandfather, grandfather. Nephew, nephew. Niece, niece. Cousins, cousins. Husband, husband. Wife, wife. Aunt, aunt. Uncle, uncle. Fiancé, fiancé. Stepmother, stepmother. Kin mother, kin mother. Mother-in-law, mother-in-law. Father-in-law, father-in-law. Daughter-in-law, daughter-in-law. Son-in-law, son-in-law. Brother-in-law, brother-in-law. Sister-in-law, sister-in-law. In-laws, in-laws. Friends, friends. Enemy, enemy. Maternal, maternal. Paternal, paternal. Maternal grandmother, maternal grandmother. Maternal grandfather, maternal grandfather. Adopted son, adopted son. Granddaughter, granddaughter. Grandson, grandson. Maternal uncle, maternal uncle. Father's sister, father's sister. Married, married. Spouse, spouse. Relatives, relatives. Face, this is face, this is face. Head, this is head. Shoulder, this is shoulder. Knees, this is knee. Toe, this is toe. Eyes, these are eyes. Nose, this is nose. Mouth, this is mouth. Lip, this is lip. chin. This is chin. Teeth. These are teeth. Tongue. This is tongue. Cheeks. These are cheeks. Neck. This is neck. Hair. These are hairs. Ear. This is ear. Arm. This is arm. Elbow. This is elbow. Wrist. This is wrist. Hand. These are hands. Finger. This is finger. Stomach. This is stomach. Leg. These are legs. Ankle. This is ankle. Foot. This is foot. Nail. This is nail.